It's not, there's some products you have to be careful with. Don't worry about BSR. Too many people get caught up with a BSR. And when they're doing product research, they may see something that has a high BSR and think, oh, wow, this is selling really good on Amazon, so let me go sell one of these too. That could be a huge mistake, because you need to reverse engineer and see where that BSR is coming from. Maybe these people just got featured on a big television show. Maybe they have a website that they're sending all their traffic over to Amazon. Maybe they're very good at Facebook ads and they're sending traffic to Amazon. That's what's helping that BSR. You want to look at where the demand is on Amazon itself. By using keyword tools like that, that tell you the demand that's on Amazon, and then you find where there's good demand on Amazon and there's people that are selling at a reasonable rate on Amazon. But you got to look at market depth too. A lot of people will say, oh, this one guy's doing well, so let me do a product just like him. But maybe maybe he has a patent, or maybe there's some other issue why he's doing well and the others aren't. So you got to look at market depth. You got to make sure that the top 10 or so all are selling pretty decently, so that that, okay, I can come in here and if I take position number 5, I'm still going to sell pretty well too. Then you got to look at like I said, the keyword demand. You got to make sure that the demand's on Amazon.